Good afternoon. My name is Dean Solberg with Exact Metrology. I'm one of the owners of the company here at Exact Metrology in Brookfield, Wisconsin. Today we had our annual open house here in Brookfield. Another one soon to follow in Cincinnati, Ohio at our other facility. And we previewed several new technologies. The new technologies that we are demonstrating here at the open house are the GOM CT scanner, which allows us the ability to be able to look through parts. It's a high resolution CT scanner with a high degree of accuracy, new to the US market. In addition to which, we also previewed the Polyrex. It's a white light scanner with multiple scanners built into the system, where it's a single button push where we can scan large or small parts extremely fast. Some of the notable attendees that we had here at the event were represented by companies such as Mercury Marine, Sub-Zero, C&H Global, Komatsu, companies of that nature. Some of our customers are saying that annually they walk away from this event with a takeaway that allows them the ability to be able to do their job just a little bit easier. In addition, our goal is to teach them more capabilities, more functionalities of the equipment they currently already own. The Brookfield, Wisconsin facility continues to grow, and in fact, we've just about outgrown the facilities that we have because we continue to add additional equipment and additional capabilities to support our customers. We recently have added a full-time training individual here at Exact for Polyworks, and then ultimately it will be for 3D Systems Design X software as well. And in addition to which, we've added a few additional contract inspection folks also. So for the future of Exact Metrology, we have identified several growth areas that we hope to allow us the ability to get into new markets. One of which is the GOM CT scanner here behind me. We have taken on the ability to be able to be one of the key resellers US-wide for the GOM CT scanner. In addition to which, we're looking at expanding into the Texas market here in the near future. So in conclusion, I have to say that we were thrilled to death about the results of the open house, the attendees, and what the attendees learned. And we look forward to holding this annual event again next year, where we will introduce our customers clearly to more and better technology.